Hey everyone, this is Miss Hanisco. I have collected here for you some resources to help you remember the ins and outs of copyright. Remembering to use resources ethically and responsibly is a big part of digital citizenship, but sometimes those rules can be hard to remember. So, right here, I've gathered a couple of resources for you to refer to in case you're in doubt. So, starting at the bottom, down here, I just have three simple posters that can help you easily decide, should I cite this? Should I use this? Or should I maybe go look for a public domain resource? So these are just quick little yes or no posters and some rules to remember. I've also got a couple of videos here. These are short videos that help us remember all of the little rules that go along with copyright and copyright law and what constitutes copyright infringement and how do we avoid that. And then these are websites that also help us remember when it's okay to use some material and when that is actually plagiarism or copyright infringement. So I hope these resources help you if you're ever in doubt about copyright.